Today I'm going to show you how you can make withdrawal from Coinbase to PayPal. So Coinbase for mobile app, what you're going to do is select buy and sell. And to just shorten your time, here's a video. I will leave this in the description of this video so you can check it out. And here's a full-on tutorial which you can follow. And what you want to do is select buy and sell, then select sell, and then select the crypto which you want to sell and the amount. And now you have to update to destination if it's needed, obviously. This defaults to your local currency balance, but you have an option of adding an additional account balance or USDC, for example. Then select review order and now select sell now to complete the sale. Now you can watch this video if you don't want to follow my tutorial here. Here is the video which it actually tells you what you can do, and it is exactly the same the way I explained it. I don't know how they explain it here, but this is one of the ways you can sell or buy crypto on Coinbase.